Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Digit.
What does the dictionary say?
Any of the symbols of other number systems, as 0 or 1 in the binary.
Math rap.
A digit is a single symbol used to show a number. Each number is a numeral, and there's no wonder. Like in 365, there are 3 digits alive: the 3, the 6, and the 5.
Math rap.
Did it ever occur to you that numbers need symbols to represent them? What are your thoughts on digits? Fingers are called digits sometimes. Is a thumb a finger? If not, is it a digit? What career actively uses digits on a daily basis? Why? How many digits do you want showing on your report card in this class at the end of the year? Can you earn a higher grade? How? How many digits are found in the calculation of pi? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!